Okay, my friend Amy Pattison lost 70 pounds and has since devoted her entire career to helping others lose the fat, become healthier versions of themselves. And her social media handle is Fat to Fit Amy P. That is her saying that because you said this before. You're like, I'm just going to call it as I see it.
I call it like it is. And there's nothing, we got to stop villainizing fat. We all have fat in our bodies, and so some of us have more than we need.
So this recipe we're about to show you went so incredibly viral, which I think surprised you a little bit. It didn't surprise me that much because a lot of people are really leaning into less carbs, more protein, and some good fat. So tell us everything you're about to put in your avocado bread.
Okay, so we're gonna make some avocado bread. 3 ingredients, very simple. So we're gonna take a whole avocado and we're gonna just put that in the bowl. We're gonna do a cup of cottage cheese.
Okay, so that's a very popular ingredient.
It is very popular, and that's really why I went viral, because the original avocado breads were made with Parmesan cheese, mozzarella cheese. I decided to make it more fat loss friendly, which is what I do. And so cottage cheese is gonna help you burn more fat.
Oh, it's actually going to help you burn fat.
It's going to, what it's gonna do is it's gonna keep your insulin low. It's gonna keep your blood sugar lower. So therefore, you won't spike your insulin, and you cannot, when your insulin's high, you're in fat storing mode. When insulin's low, you're in fat burning mode.
Is that right?
Right,
Okay.
and that's how I lost egg
and that's protein right there as well.
That's protein as well. So what we've done is we've taken the original avocado bread and just made it more protein friendly and complementing those healthy fats. And then we add some sea salt, and then all you're gonna do is mix that up. You're gonna have your oven already preheated to 400 degrees. And you just want to give this a good mash.
A little mashing. While we're doing that, you call this always an avocado bread, and I know your daughter's even gifted you with a shirt that said always an avocado.
She did.
What is that phrase about?
Well, when I started my fat loss phase, I learned so much about healthy fats. And prior to that, I had been a very fat-free person, low fat. Well, women need, especially women over 40, they need fats. We need healthy fats to help regulate our hormones and just help us stay satiated so we don't overeat. So avocado is almost the most perfect food. It has fiber, it has a little bit of carbs, but it has mostly monounsaturated fats, which is just very healthy for women. And so I started adding it to almost everything. And then you couple it with cottage cheese, which is going to help you stay satiated as well, adds a lot of protein, and this bread is perfect. So this avocado bread, so you just mix it up like that, and you're going to, if you will, Eden, crumble this up for me. I would give our watchers a little tip.
Is this a little hack?
Yep, when you do parchment paper, crumble it up. It makes it not stick when you get it out of the oven.
Oh, that makes really good sense.
And then you just want to take this mixture, and we're just going to put in like 4, like you're gonna make 4 buns, if you will.
Okay, so it's so funny. It felt like you were a magician when you're like, here, crumble this up, and then you're gonna pull it out of my ear or something. Okay, so now let's skip ahead with TV magic, and let's show everybody what it should come out of the oven looking like.
Right, so it's gonna look just like this. So you're gonna bake it at 400 degrees for 30 minutes. I added a little everything bagel seasoning to the top, and then you can use it right here and make a sandwich. And that is like a little turkey sandwich, but you can do it with eggs. You could do it with tuna, you can do it with chicken salad, you can make any kind of sandwich. And this avocado bread, you want me to cut it for you?
Oh, I was just gonna go all in, but sure, that would be lovely.
The avocado bread, again, is gonna keep your blood sugar stable and keep you from spiking your insulin. So this is going to help you stay in fat burning mode, where regular bread is gonna spike your sugar, it's gonna raise your insulin, and then you're in fat storing mode.
That's amazing.
It's amazing, and the thing I was missing, because I eliminated mostly carbs from my diet, was having a handheld. So this was my answer to that, is now I get to hold a sandwich again.
And I've seen you make this with breakfast foods as well.
Yeah, breakfast foods, yeah. And
that's amazing.
Yeah, there's always a way to make it more fat loss friendly foods.
So you can find this kind of recipe, this one and many, many more, and exercise tips and all kinds of support on Amy's Instagram or her Facebook. So on Instagram, it's fat.to.fit Amy P.
It is.
And on Facebook, it's Amy Pattison. And you'll come back and see us regularly, I'm hoping?
I would love to. Thank you so much for having me.
Okay, Rance.